Hello, day 7 of March Madness. So yesterday we worked on that forward flexion. Today we're going to talk about the obliques because we really need those to help hold us when we're balancing, and they also work when we're walking to give us that beautiful rotation of the rib cage. So we're going to work on the strengthening of that today. I want you to think of stacking your hips over each other, stacking your shoulders over each other, and also making sure that your shoulders and your hips are in a straight line. Often we find ourselves in this sort of V position. So you might just want to think about lining yourself up with a wall. Your legs are going to be ever so slightly in front of you, because if they're directly in line with your hips, you're probably going to use your back a bit too much, okay, because they're quite heavy. Imagine that somebody is reaching the crown of your head and pulling your heels in opposite directions. So not from a point of tension, just sort of like an elastic band, just gently stretching. Then as you exhale, you're going to feel your abdominals hugging in, and you're going to float your legs up just 2 centimeters and then slowly lower back down. So now you're really toning up these muscles in your waist. So as you reach away, these guys are going to switch on, and then you're going to come down. So it's not about how high you lift your legs. We don't want to collapse that hip down onto the floor. We just want to have that tone coming into these waist muscles, and you can really feel it happening, and come down. Beautiful. And then obviously you go and do this on the other side in your own time. Thank you for joining us for March Madness today.